Hey love, guess what? Myself and another influencer were challenged to take a piece of furniture and upcycle it. And we're going to be featured on this new series over on Lowe's YouTube channel called Showroom Steals. And Showroom Steals is basically us showing you how to get a trendy look on a DIY budget. And if this is our first time meeting, hi, my name is Wayna and I make rental-friendly interior design videos. The first thing that I did was remove the top of this old nightstand using a hex key. Next, I removed the legs by using my jigsaw by DeWalt. I repurposed the top of the nightstand for the bottom, and then I added wood on the sides as well as the top because my goal was to wrap this piece of furniture in new wood. And I got these really nice trendy legs from Lowe's to complete the base of the look. So all you're going to do is take the can of paint and set it in the corner, and then you take a marker and you mark it and then just color it in. That way you can see the new shape of the drawer. Once I added the curves to the doors, it was time to attach them. Once the doors were attached, then I added this cove molding to give it that detailed look. Once the molding was attached to both of the doors, then I used my handy dandy DeWalt jigsaw again, and I just went straight down the middle very slowly, and voila. I have to say, the jigsaw is my new favorite tool. It looks amazing. Next, I added wood filler and this white paintable latex caulk to make everything look smooth. I love how affordable wall molding is and how it can make the biggest difference on a piece of furniture. Once everything was painted, then I moved to the legs, spray painted the bottom of those gold, and then I moved on to the hardware. I am using electrical tape and a little paint. So let's revisit what this piece used to look like before the upcycle. And this is what it looks like now. Let's recap. The inspiration piece was $6.99 and I made this for $250. If you like this type of content, make sure you head over to Lowe's YouTube channel to watch the newest episode of Showroom Steals. And make sure you try out some of these affordable up furnishing ideas and tips yourself, okay? Now, I want you to look around your home, see what pieces you can upcycle, and head over to your local Lowe's home improvement store so you can get your projects started. So make sure you go check out the series, okay? Go check my video out as well as the other influencer. And while you're there, go ahead and subscribe to their YouTube channel. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next upload.